On this episode of Mad Ginger Customs, we're going to review the Harbor Freight Icon 43-inch professional creeper. I got some pretty rough floors, so if it rolls on mine, it's going to roll on yours. Let's take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a heavy person. If you watch the channel, you know that. And I got a pretty beat floor. This concrete is hammered, split, rough, never polished, never finished. Looks like it was poured by a 12-year-old. Anyway, so this is what we bought, because we broke the other creeper wheels. It says, handles the toughest abuse, right? Icon 43-inch. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. It was about 140 bucks, so we're hoping we like it. That's going to go along with another tool we bought. We'll show you in another video. So let's get this thing open. Well, that's everything in the box, so this should be pretty easy. We're going to screw these into that, and we're going to test it. Done! Record time. Overall dimensions, 43 3/8 by 28 by 10 high. Maximum weight capacity 400 pounds. All right, I'm 250. If I break this, I'm bringing it back. So, initial test. Does it even move? Well, that's actually much better than my other creepers that basically scratch their way across the floor. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's see if I can, slide on in. Oh yeah. Oh, it's actually pretty supportive. Ah. Hello up there. I'm in position. All right, let's try to creep on it. Oh. Ow. Hit the sheet metal. I can put myself with this. All right, boys. If you have a crappy garage floor, like I do, then maybe this thing's for you. Can it go this way, though? Whoa. I'm gliding. All right. Way better. Well, this thing seems much better built than my OG Pittsburgh. I bought this. It was on sale, 40-inch. Immediately tore these two off when I tried to push it sideways. So then there's no support in the middle, so basically you're just scratching along on it. These wheels are literally like just hard plastic garbage. And like my floor just I don't know if you guys can see that, my floor destroyed them. So we have higher hopes for the Icon. It passed the slide test, it passed the fat guy test, and maybe it's right for you. It is a little bit more pricey than the cheapy plastic ones, but if you're a bigger guy, or if you are a normal sized person, or lady, you could be a bigger lady. We're not discriminating. Come on, big girls, work on your car. And you got a crappy concrete surface. You know what, maybe even this thing would go on gravel. I'm not sure. I paid all the money for it. Not a sponsored video. I'm telling you guys, it's pretty good. 43-inch Icon professional creeper from Harbor Freight. I'm sitting on it. I'm sliding around on it. Literally, I could, whoa, I'll go right out the garage door on this thing. So, check it out, Harbor Freight. And stay tuned for more tool reviews. Thanks for watching.